learning friends. It's Dr. Deanna, and I have some more listening fun for you today. Today, we're going to flex this muscle up here. We're going to flex our brain and get it stronger and ready for reading. So go ahead, give your brain a kiss. Kiss your brain, because your brain is going to get stronger. And whether or not you're a reader already or you're getting ready to read, reading is for each and every one of you. So let's get our brains stronger and ready to read. Or if we're already reading, let's get it reading better and better. All right, today we're going to listen to our beginning sounds. And we're going to see what happens when we take a beginning sound off and find that little word inside the big word. All right, so my first word, it's kind of a tricky one. You see, I have this mouse right here. But if I had two, it would be mice. All right, I'm going to throw the word to you. Are you ready? When you catch it, you say it out loud too. All right, mice. And then you're going to pretend that that word came right through the computer screen and you're going to grab it, mice. All right, do you have that word? Let's go. Do you see this red cube right here? That is my beginning sound. And this is the rest of my word right here. Ice. Ice. Mice. But what happens if I take this red cube off? Take off that Now I have ice. Let's see what I got. Did I turn mice into ice? Thumbs up. Wait a minute. What if I put on a new beginning sound? Right now, I just have ice. Ice is very cold. Ice is something that we put into our drinks like orange juice or, what else? Lemonade. And it makes our drinks very cold, especially on a hot day. But what if I take my ice and I add a at the beginning? Now, maybe you know what letter says that sound, but I want you to save that knowledge for later because right now we're just focusing on our listening superpowers to flex that brain and get it ready for reading or make our reading stronger. All right, so if I take that and I put it right here, ice, ice. And if I blend that together, now I have, what do I have? I have rice. Very good. All right. Now I have another word for you. Let's see if we can work some more word magic. Because did you know, all I have to do is change one sound and I make a whole new word. Let's take a look at my next one. What do I have? I have a boat. So you see my oat. Boat. But wait a minute. What if I take that off, right like this? What if I take that off? And now what do I have? Do you know what's inside of here? Let's open it up. And now I have oat. Well, this is oats, but one by itself is an oat. So I took that off, and now I have oat. All right, that was pretty cool. Let me go ahead. I'm going to put this right in here so we can get out our next word magic. Okay, here we go. Here's my next set of words. Now, if you notice, I just have my two sounds here. At. At is a word all by itself, like I sat at the park. Or I sat in my seat home. At. Okay, but what happens if we add, let's see, a b, 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 b. I made a whole new word. What word did I make? Do you see what I have? B, at. Blend it, bat. I made a whole new word. But wait a minute. What if I take that b, b, b off and I add a let's put that on. At. And now I have a hat, something I use to cover my head and shade my eyes when the sun is really, really bright outside. Very good. I've had so much fun today listening to our sounds, strengthening that muscle, our brain, getting it ready for more reading. And friends, I'm so excited because every time you practice, you get stronger and stronger in your reading and getting ready to read. I'll see you next time when I teach to your superpowers, one child at a time.